Most investors think index funds and ETFs are identical. But over 30 years, one tiny hidden detail could cost you $50,000 in lost returns. Here is why. I've spent hundreds of hours analyzing the fee structures of giants like Vanguard and Fidelity to find the most efficient path to wealth. My goal is simple: keep more of your money in your pocket and less in the hands of Wall Street. In this video, we're stripping away the jargon. We are entering the hidden fee showdown. I'm going to break down the tax implications, the trading differences, and show you the exact math that leads to that $50,000 gap. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to pick for your portfolio to ensure your passive income doesn't leak away. Let's dive in. You've already done the hard part. You're saving. You're investing. You've probably heard the Boglehead mantra, keep costs low. So you pick a fund with a low expense ratio. You think you've won. But here's the problem. Most investors treat index funds and ETFs as identical. They think the only difference is how they're traded on the exchange. They're wrong. Because in the world of compounding, there is no such thing as a tiny fee. A difference of just 0.1% or 0.2% feels like nothing today. It's a few dollars a month. You don't even notice it leaving your account. But over 30 years, that tiny gap turns into a monster. It's a silent tax on your future. While you're sleeping, those fractions of a percent are eating away at your compound interest. Imagine reaching retirement and realizing you handed over $50,000, not to a hedge fund manager, but to a structural inefficiency you didn't even know existed. That's a luxury car, a year of early retirement, a college fund for your kids. All gone, because you thought close enough was good enough. So, what is the actual difference? On the surface, almost nothing. Both index funds and ETFs track a basket of stocks, like the S&P 500. They both give you instant diversification. But under the hood, they use two completely different engines. And that engine determines how much of your money stays in your pocket versus going to the government or the fund manager. Let's start with the structure. An index fund is a mutual fund. You buy it directly from the provider, like Vanguard or Fidelity. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is bought and sold on the stock market, just like a single share of Apple or Tesla. Now, here is where the hidden fee comes in. It's not always the expense ratio. It's called capital gains distributions. In a traditional index fund, when other investors sell their shares, the fund manager often has to sell stocks to pay them out. This creates a taxable event for everyone, even if you didn't sell a single share. You get hit with a tax bill just for holding the fund. ETFs are different. They use a heartbeat trade, or in-kind redemption process. Basically, they swap stocks instead of selling them. This makes ETFs significantly more tax efficient in a brokerage account. Now, let's do the math on that $50,000 loss. Imagine you invest $1,000 a month for 30 years. If you're in an index fund with a slightly higher expense ratio and a yearly tax drag of just 0.3% compared to a low-cost ETF, over 3 decades, that tiny friction doesn't just cost you a few bucks. Due to the loss of compounding, you could easily see a gap of $50,000 or more in your final balance. But wait, don't rush to sell everything yet. There is a trade-off. Index funds have one superpower: automation. With a provider like Fidelity, you can set it and forget it. The money leaves your bank account and hits the fund automatically every payday. With ETFs, you usually have to manually buy shares through a broker like Interactive Brokers, or use a platform that supports fractional shares. So the verdict: if you are investing in a tax-advantaged account, like a 401k or IRA, the tax drag doesn't matter. Go for the index fund for the easy automation. But if you are investing in a taxable brokerage account, the ETF is the clear winner to avoid that $50,000 leak. So what's the final verdict? If you want to set it and forget it with automatic monthly contributions, a low-cost index fund is your winner. But if you want maximum tax efficiency and the flexibility to trade, ETFs take the crown. That tiny difference in tax drag and expense ratios might seem small today, but compounded over 30 years, that's where that $50,000 disappears. To stop the bleed, you need a brokerage that actually puts your returns first. I personally recommend Vanguard for the ultimate bogglehead experience, Fidelity for their zero-fee funds, or Interactive Brokers for those who want a global edge. All the links are waiting for you in the description. If this helped you save a chunk of your future wealth, hit that subscribe button. Join thousands of us building passive income streams and taking control of our financial freedom. Stop guessing. Start investing. We'll see you in the next one.